asthma. So Lillah, tell me Baba stain on counter. I say, where's stain on counter? She say, underneath thing. So, okay, fine. I put away things. Baba do it, no problem. Baba gets stain also. Beautiful day. Good job. So then Lillah says, I buy you product all green, all powerful. And I say, what? So you buy me product, but you're not telling me you're gonna use it? Little jerk. Let's look at this stain then. Huh, pretty bad. Rude stain. Okay, so what I'm going to do then? How about this, Lillah? Look, we have bad stain. I'm going to put... I put a little bit on stain. How about a little bit more? Was this expensive? Okay, that's how much we put on stain. Stain won't come up. Baba scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub till goats come home. Okay, let's see how this goes. All natural. What she say not in there? She say no bad stuff, she say. Biodegradable cleaners and degreasers. Palm and coconut derived. That's pretty fancy. Biodegradable cleaners. Grease cutter. Biodegradable. That word is hard. Citric acid. Naturally processed stabilizer. Biodegradable melaleuca oil. It's a natural cleaner. I know that. Biodegradable preservative. And essential oil. Ha. 10 minutes. 10 minutes, she say. What am I supposed to do for 10 minutes? Mostly she say use this water down, but for big stain, just put on full strength. 99% biodegradable ingredients. Powered by citric acid. Is that lemons? Baba make list for grocery store while waiting for buzzer go off. Many deals this week in flyers. Okay, price comparison. Lillah give Baba catalog for cleaner. To do math. Need to figure out how much costs. Because Baba need best deal every day. Okay, Baba do math. It's that much money. But one bottle make many bottles. How many bottles this make? Oh my God. Add a half ounce to a gallon of water. 15 milliliters to a gallon of water. What does that work out to? Baba gets shot glass. Half an ounce. Where's that line? 1 1/4. That's one. So half an ounce for a gallon of water equal 1/4 of ounce for spray bottle. 1/4 of ounce for spray bottle. Oh my God. What does that mean? 6 milliliters. Math is hard. 6 milliliters for bottle. Bottle has 473 milliliters in it. Oh my God. Hang on. I need calculator. Okay. $7.76 per bottle. Bottle makes 78 spray bottles. 78 spray bottles? Do the thing and carry the one. So Magic costs 10 cents per spray bottle to make. Hey, that's a good deal. Don't need to buy cleaner at grocery store this week, I guess. Or many weeks. 78 bottles worth of weeks. That's a good deal. Hold the heck on! So here's the math for real. One concentrated bottle makes 31.53 gallons of cleaner. So one gallon is approximately 3.8 liters, which is about what you would put into your bucket to wash your floor. One concentrated bottle, if you're using it just with a gallon of
cleaner is going to cost you 24 cents per gallon, like per bucket of cleaner. 1 gallon or 3.8 liters makes 8 spray bottles. That's 3 cents per spray bottle, Baba. So that's the real math. Carry on, as you were.
Oh, timer's done! 10 minutes. Turn that off. Where is favorite sponge? Must be in bathroom. I go get. Little bit of fluff on favorite sponge. It's okay, it's still good. Still good. Counters are imperfect. Lillah been here a long time. Baba not afraid of elbow grease. Huh. That's not bad. For nettle cleaner, cost 10 cents. Keep scrubbing, Baba. Well, old counter. This stain been here a long time. Is it coffee? Is it juice? Nobody knows. Baba's vinegar never got it out. Baba's homemade natural cleaner not get it out. Baba don't like using bleach because the asthma. Huh. That's good. I like it. Favorite sponge do good job. It's good. It's good math. I like it. Let's make happy. This should have vodka.